1930 Ford Model A Sport Coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Rumble seat car. Of course, the 201 L-head inline 4-cylinder underneath the hood. It's paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. Let's take a look at some of the bright work up front. As you can see, turn signal indicators added into the front bumper. Bright work on the grille surround looks good. Flying quail and headlight buckets. Now, as far as the paint does show its age in some areas. You can see there's checking up on top of the cowl right there around the fuel fill. See if I can show you a little bit better shot of that. There you go. And again, some imperfections in the hood. It's one of those cars, drive it, have some fun, your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, maybe you like doing some parades. Here you go. Take your time looking through the still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description. If you're seeing this on YouTube, it's going to take you right to our website. We can see all the still pics. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Of course, the steel spoked wheels. Blue and black combination, and then you can also see the blue and the pinstriping on the hood grates and down the side of the car. Of course, the Sport Coupe would have the fabric top. It is not a convertible top, will not go down, but basically lightened up these cars. As you can see, fabric from the interior looking upward. Glass rear window. Of course, you could roll this up and have it open between the rumble seat and the cabin area. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with a sales associate when you call in or email. Rear mounted spare. And once again, take your time looking through all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Stick around to the very end of this video, and we're going to take this thing for a drive. Take it down the road, show you how it drives out. But first, if you like these early Model A's, maybe just into early Fords, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles are available to purchase either online or right off our showroom floor if you can make it to see us in person. We're going to fire it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. And Jason will take this one for a drive also. Let's go ahead and fire it up. There's a fuel shutoff underneath right there. I do have it on. A couple of aftermarket gauges here, the oil pressure and water temp, of course. The choke and air to fuel ratio there. See if it'll fire up. Just by turning the key on. Might have to choke this one a little bit. It's been a little cold-blooded on me before. Let's give it a little bit of throttle too. Alright. That oil pressure came up there. It was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the temp gauge to have moved much. Make sure we're in neutral. This vehicle recently had the carb gone through, as well as the manifold gasket, head gasket were both replaced. Let me slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me get one of these hood panels open so we can kind of check out that engine bay. There it is, in that L-head. 201 cubic inch inline 4-cylinder. '30 Ford Model A Sport Coupe. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, but consult with your sales associate when you call in or email first.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1930 Ford Model A with a soft top. Nice blue colored wheels give a different look to this car. This is a 3-speed manual on the floor, as most Model A's are. Water temperature approaching 140 on the gauge. Oil pressure around 8 on your lower RPM. It does get up to 10, which is the top of the gauge as you're throttling. Amps between 10 and 20. We'll be doing around 40 miles an hour, which is what it says we're doing right now. Awesome vintage clock. I don't see the hands moving, but that is a very cool vintage clock mounted to the dash. One crack in the windshield I can see here. Handles as it should for a Model A. It's not pulling early to either side. It's comfortable, not difficult to drive. Those beautiful giant chrome headlights that the Model A's have, shining brightly in the sun today. Cloth bench seat matches the cloth on the doors. Not a lot of features in a Model A, of course. Not a lot can go wrong. It's kind of like a primitive version of a car, which makes it even simpler and more fun. There is a squeak when you push the clutch pedal in. You probably just heard that. Going into second for the roundabout. Corners as a Model A should. Decent power for a Model A. It's actually got some good acceleration and purrs along nicely down the road. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.